It's pointing to playtime. The go-go plane is ready to... to choose from. A windmill, a propeller hat, or a fluffy spider. But which one, Baba? Baba, your flower is gone. Flower? Forever flower.
Oh dear, Baba's lost forever flower.
It's okay, Baba. We'll find it. Follow me! Flower, where are you? Flower? Forever flower? I can't find it, Baba. Oh, no. I have an idea. I choose the windmill.
But Mimo, how can this help Baba?
It's your new flower, Baba. And it spins. Look! Spinny flower.
Baba is still really missing the forever flower.
Oh, I miss my forever flower. Aw, Baba. It's yummy time. Thank you, Play Tree. See you tomorrow. Maybe the yummies can help find your flower, Baba. Yes.
Mimo! Baba! Mimo! Baba!
Yummies! Where did they go? Green.
Blue!
Hello, yummies! Flutterbugs! Twinkly and shiny.
That's right, twinkling in the setting sun.
From Alva, we're yummy-sized!
So you are.
Can you help us find Baba's flower?
What does it look like?
It's orange and blue.
Aha! Yummy snack?
They may not have found your flower, but Blue Yummy found you something delicious to eat.
Thank you.
That's right. Stretch high up to the sky, as tall as trees.
Thank you, yummies.
Oh, sorry we didn't find your flower.
That's okay. Go-Go Copter is ready to... Go-Go! play with. 3 things to choose from. A teddy bear, a tutu, a drum. Which one, Baba? Stump, stump.
I think I know where this is going.
Just like the stump, stump of the drum. We want the drum, please. Drum. That's not a very stumpy noise. Ooh. There it is. Baba! The tweeds, they flew away. I don't think the Tweedies like the noisy drum. Oh no, I want to say sorry. Maybe the Yummies will know where the Tweedies are. Yes. Thank you, Play Tree. See you soon. Tweeties, Tweeties. Tweeties, 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 where are you?
Green.
Blue.
Yellow, red. Hello, Yummies. Have you seen the Tweedies? Get them away like this. Oops, I can't find the Tweeties to say sorry. Aww.
Come join us.
Glitter bugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're just like the Yummies.
Yummy-sized.
We need to talk. Yummy huddle.
Yummy dog can help.
Look, up there.
Clever yummy dog.
Are you okay, Tweeties? Gently, gently.
Quiet drum. Not stompy at all. Well done, Mimo and Baba.
Sorry, I scared you. The Tweeties. Not so loud, Baba. Tweeties. Well done, Baba. Happy Tweeties. Here you go.
Reaching high up to the sky. All that drumming can be tiring.
Yay! The The Go-Go Rocket is getting ready to... Go-Go! Hold on tight, Baba! Shall we find something to play with? Yes, please.
That's a good idea, Mimo. Something fun to play with might take Baba's mind off the hiccups.
One, two, three things to play with. 3 things to choose from. A flute, a music box, bubbles. What will we choose, Baba? The flute? What about the bubble blower? Oh, that leaves the music box. Do you want some music, Baba? Yes, please. Can we have the music box, please, Playtree?
Oh, that's really nice music, Mimo.
Oh, it's a Jack in the Box.
Oh, Mimo, what a surprise. Sometimes surprises can stop hiccups.
Have your hiccups stopped, Baba? That didn't work. It's yummy time! Thank you, Playtree. See you soon. Look at those busy yummies.
Mimo! Baba!
Red, yellow,
Green.
Blue!
Papa has hiccups. Sorry, yummies. Will my hiccups go? They'll go soon.
Mimo is right. Hiccups don't last long. Maybe the yummies can help you.
Or come and help us.
Flitterbugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're yummy-sized. Yummy-sized.
Come join us.
We're washing fruit for yummy smoothies.
I like the tinkly sound of the water. Tinkly.
Oh, Baba, we'd forgotten about those hiccups.
If Baba forgets about the hiccups, they might go away.
You're right, Mimo. Maybe we can help Baba think about something else.
Oh, look, Baba. Here comes your yummy smoothie.
With 2 wings and a whoosh, off into the sky.
Everything is small. Baba, look.
So many wonderful things to see.
Hello, Playtree. 2, 3 things to play with. 3 things to choose from. A shell. A tube. Crayons. Let's pick the tube, Papa. A tube for looking through. Yes, the lucky tube, please. Huh? Oh. Wow. Baba, look. Ooh, lucky tube.
Baba, what can you see?
Go plane. Ooh, something purple. I see an eye. And wobbly hair. It's Mimo. Can I have a turn, Baba? Oh, Tweeties. I look. Aww. Ooh. So many colors.
A spot of Tweety watching. One of my favourite things to do too.
Yummy time! Whee! Goodbye, play tree. Thank you. Baba, can I have the lucky tube? I want to look for the yummies. Yes, the yummies. I see them. Hello, yummies.
Mimo!
Baba!
Hello, yummies. Yellow.
Green!
Red.
Come and join us!
Baba, look. Ooh, flitterbugs. So pretty. Grandma Liba, we're yummy size.
You most certainly are.
Today we're having snacky plates. Will you help us find our food?
Oh, hiding? Baba, look. Baba, look. Baba, look. Ooh. I can't see any food, Grandma Liba.
That sneaky snacky plate of food is very good at hiding.
Ooh, I know, Baba. Yummies, we need your help.
With the 1 and the 2 and the... Yummy, yummy,
Yum, 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 yum,
yum,
yum, yum, yum, yum, yum. Baba, look. Oh. Mimo, look. Mimo and Baba can look. I see a cucumber. Oh. I see a ladybird. Ooh, a carrot.
Let's go get it.
Hummus.
Yummy, honey!
It's time to go now.
Reach up high, happy and full.